Question number 1. Mount Ibu, which was seen in the news, is located in which country? Option A, Indonesia. Option B, Vietnam. Option C, Malaysia. Option D, Egypt. Correct answer. Option A, Indonesia. Explanation: Mount Ibu, a stratovolcano in Indonesia, has erupted frequently in January 2024. Stratovolcanoes are cone-shaped volcanoes built from layers of lava and ash. They are known for their explosive eruptions due to the thick, slow-moving lava. Mount Ibu is located in the Pacific Ring of Fire, a region of high volcanic activity. It is characterized by frequent eruptions, including lava flows and ash plumes. Question number 2. Where was the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 organized? Option A, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Option B, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer. Option B, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Explanation: Union Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia inaugurated the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 in Ladakh on 23rd January. The event features 19 teams and includes ice hockey and skating contests. The second phase, focusing on snow sports, will be in Jammu and Kashmir from February 22nd to 25th. Ladakh is hosting for the second time with 594 participants, including 428 athletes. The events will be broadcast live on Doordarshan Sports. Question number 3. The Manan community is primarily found in which state? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Karnataka. Correct answer. Option C, Kerala. Explanation: Raman Rajamannan, the tribal king of the Manan community in Kerala, will participate in the Republic Day parade in Delhi. The Manan community is a scheduled tribe in Kerala and the only tribal dynasty with a kingship in South India. Their language is a Tamil dialect without a script, reflecting strong Tamil cultural ties. They follow a matrilineal descent system, elect their king, and practice Hinduism. Main occupations include agriculture, and festivals include Kalavutmi Noor and Muthiamman. Manan Kuthu is their unique ritual art form performed during worship harvest and weddings. Question number 4. Which institution has been awarded the Subhash Chandra Bose Apda Prabandhan Puraskar for 2025? Option A, Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services. Option B, Indian Meteorological Department. Option C, National Disaster Response Force. Option D, Geological Survey of India. Correct answer, option A, Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services. Explanation: Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, Hyderabad, has been awarded the prestigious Subhash Chandra Bose Apda Prabandhan Puraskar for 2025 in the institutional category. This award recognizes Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services' significant contributions to disaster management in India, particularly in tsunami early warning, cyclone forecasting, and coastal risk mitigation. Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services operates the Indian Tsunami Early Warning Center, recognized globally by United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization. The organization has developed innovative tools like SARAT and SYNOPS to enhance disaster response capabilities. This award highlights India's advancements in disaster management and the crucial role of institutions like Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services in safeguarding lives and livelihoods. Question number 5. What is the rank of India in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Option A, first. Option B, second. Option C, third. Option D, Fourth correct answer. Option D, fourth. Explanation. India has been ranked as the fourth most powerful military in the world according to the Global Firepower Index 2025. The top 3 countries are United States of America, Russia, and China. Bhutan ranked lowest at 145th, while Pakistan dropped from 9th to 12th position. The top 4 countries' rankings remain unchanged from 2024. The Global Firepower Index compares 145 countries' military power